Hello everyone.
The Minister of SAPS, Bheki Cele, has been slammed for apparently misusing and abusing state resources after he was seen landing at the ANC's Manifesto launch in Durban in SA Police Service helicopter on Saturday morning. Cele landed at the Moses Mabhida Stadium at around 10 a.m. He was later seen entering the chopper again in what was believed to be an exercise in surveilling the area with a bird-eyes view before he was seen seated on the main stage with other National Executive Committee members of the ANC as President Cyril Ramaphosa delivered the manifesto. Cele said earlier that the top police management, including top cop General Fani Masemula and all the provincial commissioners were deployed to Durban to ensure no funny business took place. Bheki Cele, again during the final of the Rugby World Cup in Paris, was in hot water over his trip, which included taxpayers forking out 450,000 rand for the travel cost of his executive assistant, while about 30,000 rand was spent on him as an unarmed company sponsored most of his cost. On Saturday, as many ANC supporters were claiming victory over the battle of filling up the stadiums after a solid turnout, some quarters accused Cele of abusing state resources for the ANC's benefit. One person commented and said, "State resources being played with at a political event. He's gonna claim it was part of the duty of SAPS to ensure no attacks or riots at the event." Another one said, "This helicopter was supposed to be used by the National Commissioner and General Mkwanazi, not a political head. He is abusing resources of the police. He's got nothing to do with the operations." Someone also said, "Wasteful expenditure, using state resources for personal gains. It's time he accounts for his reckless actions." But some other people defended Cele and pointed out that Cele remained the police minister even when he was performing his duties as an NEC member of the ANC. One said, "Before all of you say state resources for political ntontoni, this is in the ministerial handbook. It allows the minister to use state resources for what it terms private functions." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.